Hey guys, Sprite here from Condé Systems, and today we're going to talk about puzzles. So we have a large line of puzzles available. We have them in a couple of different base substrates. We have cardboard, we have felt, we have magnetic ones, and we also have hardboard. So today we're going to be dealing with the 4 puzzles that we have in the hardboard material. As you know, the hardboard material images amazing. They have a high gloss finish, they're very durable, and it's a very unique, creative way to display your photos. Today I've brought a couple of different supplies with me to do my hardboard puzzles. I've got my heat gloves, my protective paper, my scissors to cut out my transfer, my puzzle, and my pro spray. Because the puzzle comes in multiple pieces and is not connected to the backing sheet, you want to keep it together as much as you can without moving it too much. The best method that I've found to do this is to first cut your transfer with scissors really close to the edge of your design. This way, it's going to allow you to line it up better without having to move the puzzle off the backing sheet. So once my image is cut out, I'm going to apply some pro spray to it and line it up on my puzzle. Now we're ready to go to the press. First, I'm going to lay down a sheet of protective paper. I'm going to follow that with my product face up with my image face down, and then cover it all with another sheet of protective paper. And then we press. Be sure to check Conde.com for all of our latest instructions. I'll let this cool, and then it's going to be ready for packaging. These puzzles are a great way to make money. There's a lot of different ways that you can package them for retail sale also. I like to just put them in some shrink wrap to keep the pieces together, or you could pair them with a mug in our mug box or with one of our tins. Any way you choose to do it, it's really creative, it's unique, and people are gonna love it. So be sure to contact your Conde account representative today to find out about our line of puzzles. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.